Welcome to English Quizler. Today we'll work through a 40-question English grammar quizzes. Pause when you need to, note your answers, and check your score at the end. If you learned something new, don't forget to subscribe. Now let's begin.
The correct answer is in. We say the born in March, not on March. It's look up. You look up a word in the dictionary. The phrase bite the bullet means to endure something tough or painful. The right answer is any. There isn't any sugar left. The correct form is are. She and I are going to the conference. Loquacious means talkative, someone who loves to chat. The right choice is more carefully. We use the adverb, not the adjective. In Cockney slang, apples and pears mean stairs. The correct word is worst. This is the worst movie I've seen. The answer is if. I'll go to the party if I finish my work. It's had finished. She said that she had finished the report. We say, would you like some tea? So the answer is would. The right answer is leaving. He suggested leaving earlier. The correct abstract noun is bravery. The answer is had already started. The film had already started by the time you arrived. It's ran into. She ran into her old teacher at the supermarket. The right answer is plays. She plays the piano every Sunday. The three-syllable word is elephant. We say make a phone call. That's the correct collocation. correct answer is were. If I were you, I'd apologize. It's a few. She has a few friends in the city. The right connector is however. It shows contrast. The answer is will have completed. By next year I'll have completed my degree. The plural of criterion is criteria. Spill the beans means reveal a secret. The correct answer is mustn't. You mustn't smoke in here. Quickly is an adverb. The sound isn't because the K in knife is silent. The prefix prior means before. It's have lived. I have lived here since 2010. The right pronoun is I. Tom and I went to the store. The correct punctuation is it's time to go, with an apostrophe. The answer is had completed. She asked whether he had completed the task. It's whose. The woman whose car was stolen. Brush up on means to practice and improve. The correct answer is would have caught. If he had left earlier, he would have caught the train. The word pivotal means extremely important. The indirect form is to open. She ordered him to open the window. The correct verb is. Neither of the answers is correct. The stressed syllable falls on the second in develop.
Awesome job! How many did you get right? Let me know your score in the comments. I'd love to see how you did. If you found this quiz helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell so you never miss more fun and useful English lessons. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Until then, keep learning and keep growing.